Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about your money thermostat and how to raise it. Your money thermostat is basically your comfort zone when it comes to money. So what happens is we allow ourselves to get to a financial level that we're comfortable with, and then all of a sudden we go beyond it and it gets uncomfortable, and a subconscious brings us back down. And then we get to that lower level and where subconscious becomes uncomfortable there and brings it back up. So we keep ourselves in a financial range. And so it's really important to understand that even if you have a great month with your business and your money goes beyond it, or you have a large amount of money come to you, say through an inheritance or through great manifesting on your part, what happens is it goes beyond that comfort level, and so the subconscious brings us back down. The only way to change it is to raise your thermostat, to raise your comfort zone, and allow yourself to continue raising it. So in my wealth consciousness class, I'll give you all the things that you need to do and show you what you need to change in order to raise your comfort zone, to raise your thermostat, and allow yourself to continue raising it to incredible levels. You'll be amazed the amount of success that you can create in your life when you shift your consciousness. But it's really important to be changing the right things. And that's where my wealth consciousness class has all of the information in it. It's a theta healing elective, and it's a really powerful class that has helped thousands of people around the world raise their wealth consciousness. So if you'd like to connect with me, we can do so in my wealth consciousness class. It's going to be a phenomenal class. So I look forward to connecting with you there. So if you're interested, click on the links below or the details below, and I'll see you there. Thank you.